In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain from domain.com to Shopify step by step. Whether you're new to setting up an online business or just need a little guidance, I'm here to walk you through the process to ensure a smooth transition and help you get your Shopify store running in no time. First things first, let's open your Shopify admin panel. We'll start by navigating to the settings area. You can find this in the lower left corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll see an array of options appear, each designed to help you manage different aspects of your store. What we're interested in today is the Domains section, so go ahead and click there. Once in the Domains section, you'll see two main options: buying a new domain or connecting an existing one. Exactly what we need. Today, since we're focusing on connecting an existing domain from domain.com, we'll embark on this journey together. This section of Shopify gives you a centralized place to manage how your domain names are connected to your online store, a key step in branding and building your online presence professionally. Now, let's delve into why choosing to connect an existing domain might be beneficial for you. If you've already established a domain name on domain.com, it's a great idea to retain that investment and recognition, ensuring your existing customers can find you just as easily on your new Shopify platform. If you're wondering about anything so far, remember this section of Shopify's settings is particularly user-friendly, guiding you with prompts. This should ease any fears of complexity. However, I'm here to ensure every step is clear and understood. Think of your domain as your store's street address on the internet. By connecting your domain, you're essentially directing all your customers to your shop on Shopify. This also helps in building the credibility and professionalism of your site, which is essential for gaining the trust of visitors and turning them into loyal customers. Once you select the option to connect your existing domain, Shopify will guide you through the process. If any issues arise or questions pop up as you progress with these settings, Shopify's support resources are always handy, offering thorough directions. In conclusion, connecting your domain.com name to Shopify is crucial in establishing your digital storefront's identity. Remember, a seamless and easy-to-navigate domain improves customer experience and bolsters your brand's standing in the marketplace. Enjoy this crucial step towards a thriving online venture, ensuring you're set up efficiently and professionally right from the start. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful as you continue your journey with Shopify.